Why are people protesting in Sri Lanka? Sri Lanka is facing its most serious economic and political crisis in decades, with protests on the streets and officials resigning and being replaced so quickly. People are struggling to get the basics from food to fuel. No food, no fuel, no current. Protest against fuel shortages, people lose patience. School cancel exams over paper shortage. Hospitals run out of life-saving drugs. Years of government mismanagement and corruption, compounded by the pandemic, has led to this tragedy. Protesters flooded the streets of Colombo on Saturday as anger intensifies amid Sri Lanka's crippling economic crisis. But President Gotabaya Rajapaksa would not resign. What went wrong?